northwestern Lamar County in north central Texas until 6:45 p.m. At 6:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Honey Grove, or 17 miles east of Bunham, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Fannin and northwestern Lamar counties, including the following locations. Togo. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.